The Spedal 2024 Portable CarPlay Screen effortlessly integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless wireless connectivity for a smarter driving experience. Equipped with dual dash cams, this device captures every detail on the road with a crystal-clear 2K front camera and a reliable 1080p waterproof backup camera. Enjoy enhanced audio quality with Bluetooth and FM connectivity, allowing you to play music, make calls, and navigate through your car's speakers. The 9.3-inch HD screen, combined with MirrorLink, provides an immersive viewing experience, perfect for streaming your favorite content or using navigation maps. Stay connected and focused on the road with intelligent voice control through Siri and Google Assistant, making it easy to navigate, send texts, or make calls hands-free. Real-time GPS navigation on the expansive screen ensures you never miss a turn, utilizing popular apps like Google Maps and Waze for up-to-date directions.